The sad or complicated truth is that hundreds of thousands of books are published every year. And so I think for savvy writers, marketing is the number one thing that will set you apart from everybody else that is also trying to bring their creative vision to the world. At the end of the day, that is what you want. You want to take your book, take your creative project, and you want to serve it up to readers who will connect with it because you wrote it for a reason, right?
And one thing I wanted to mention as well is that with all of the information that we're going to be giving you, it can feel a little bit like drinking from a fire hydrant. And so I encourage authors to think about their marketing in terms of a calendar. And so maybe what really lights you up and you're excited about is something like doing school visits for a children's book. But the idea of writing a press release is something that you're a little bit more iffy about. Tell yourself that you're going to do that maybe next month. And that way you can parcel everything out and know that you'll get to it eventually, but you can follow the things that light your fire to start off with.
I think that's a really good point because a lot of people, they learn about marketing and they're like, oh my God, I have to build my platform. I have to write a press release. I have to do a media kit. I have to do Facebook cover images. I have to do a YouTube channel, all of this stuff. Well, our goal for you is to put that into digestible bites. You're gonna have a lot of sections to this class. Find what sparks joy. This is the Marie Kondo method of book marketing. Find what sparks joy and potentially consider getting comfortable with some of the other stuff. We will point you to things that I think you should absolutely do. And then you can add some of these other tools. But again, these are tools for your toolbox. So you'll get a lot more from both of us. But this is book marketing for writers, and we'll see you in the next section.
Welcome to the class.